Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Uber driver card. To log into your Uber driver card, the first thing you need to do is to download the Uber Pro Card application. Download this application from your App Store or your Play Store and launch it open. Now from the first interface, go ahead and tap on Get Started. If you haven't already, use the application to activate your card. If you already have an account, you can tap on I already have an account at the bottom and then enter your phone number. Click on the Continue button once you are done. On the next page, enter the verification code sent to you via SMS on your mobile number, and once you enter the code, click the Continue button to log into your Uber Pro Card application, and that way you will be able to access your Uber driver card account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.